Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fluency Fuel. I'm Ava, your friendly English nerd with a cup of coffee that's probably too strong.
And I'm Jake, the guy who thinks grammar rules were made just to confuse us all.
You said it. And today, we're talking about something every IELTS aspirant dreams of: achieving that high band score, especially in fluency and speaking.
Yup, we're gonna share a realistic step-by-step roadmap, not those "speak like a native in 7 days" myths.
So, grab your notebook, maybe some coffee, and let's turn your actually, into confident English that flows naturally.
Start with the big one, fluency. Most students panic about vocabulary, but fluency is what actually gives you confidence in front of the examiner.
Exactly. I always tell my students, the examiner doesn't want perfect grammar, they want real communication. If you can keep talking naturally, even with small mistakes, you already sound advanced.
Fluency is like rhythm in music. It's not about speed, it's about flow.
Right. And remember, even native speakers pause, repeat, or say, That's normal. What matters is how naturally you handle it.
So, first takeaway, don't aim for perfection, aim for connection.
Ooh, Jake, that sounded like something you'd see on Instagram.
Well, maybe I'll post it later with a nice filter.
Alright, let's talk strategy. How can students actually build fluency day by day?
Step 1. Daily input and output. You need both.
Meaning?
Input equals listening and reading. Output equals speaking and writing. For example, spend 20 minutes listening to a podcast like this one, then talk about it for 2 minutes.
Exactly. And please don't just listen, shadow it. Try to copy the speaker's tone, rhythm, and pronunciation.
Yeah, shadowing is gold. Pick short clips, Netflix, YouTube, TED Talks, repeat after the speaker, match their pauses, energy, and intonation.
Oh, I love using movie scenes for that. Remember that "not my cup of tea" line from Sherlock? Perfect idiomatic practice.
That's so you, turning detective shows into grammar lessons.
Guilty as charged.
Another big one, talk to yourself. Seriously? Narrate what you're doing. Like, okay, I'm making tea, but I should have boiled the water first.
Yes, it feels weird at first, but your brain starts thinking in English instead of translating. That's when magic happens.
Now, let's connect this to IELTS speaking. Fluency is tested across all 3 parts, and the trick is preparation without memorization.
Totally. You need idea banks, not scripts.
Exactly. Build lists of ideas for common IELTS themes, like technology, culture, education, health, and practice giving opinions on them.
And here's a tip. Record yourself answering one IELTS Part 2 cue card every day. Then listen back and evaluate your flow, not your grammar.
Yes, and time yourself. 2 minutes of continuous speaking is the goal. Even if you hesitate, keep going, push through.
And smile while speaking. It literally changes your pronunciation and tone.
So if someone walks in and sees you smiling at your phone, tell them Ava made you do it.
Exactly.
Ava, so many learners know what to say but freeze up when it's time to speak.
That's so true. I call it the confidence wall. Fluency starts when you stop being afraid of mistakes.
Exactly. Treat mistakes as feedback, not failure. The examiner isn't looking for perfection. They're looking for confidence and communication.
Yes. And one of the best ways to break that fear is to speak in low-pressure situations, like talking to a friend or recording short videos for yourself.
One of my students started a 1-minute English blog on Instagram. Her fluency skyrocketed because she practiced daily without worrying about being perfect.
That's awesome. Remember, fluency isn't a talent, it's a habit.
So, to wrap it up, fluency isn't built in a week. It's like fitness. You can't cram before exam day.
Exactly. Small, daily steps beat big, random study sessions every time.
And if you miss a day, don't give up. Just start again. Progress is messy, but it's still progress.
That's another one for your Instagram, Jake.
I'm on a roll today.
All right, learners, if today's episode helped you, try one of these tips today and tell us how it goes.
Comment your favorite takeaway below and let us know what topic you want next. Pronunciation? Vocabulary hacks? Or maybe IELTS myths?
And of course, hit that subscribe or follow button because we're just getting started on your 9-band journey. See you next time and keep speaking English that feels real.